Oh, Moose. Sir Topham Hatt is very furious at you.
He's furious at me every day. It's nothing new.
Oh, I wouldn't say that. You've probably messed up really bad this time.
I've dealt with him for like 4 years. Besides, how bad could an angry Topham Hatt be?
Moose the red and blue engine, do you not realize how much confusion and delay you have caused last night? This ship at Deptford Harbour had to wait all night for that delivery. Explain yourself now.
Sir, I already know you're not gonna believe me on this, but I saw a ghost on the viaduct. It chased me all the way back to Wellsworth. The signalman switched the points, causing it to go on the other line. But I gotta go look at his face. It was something that I can't describe. Only something from hell would resemble something like it.
That is the most rubbish thing I've heard from you. Stop making excuses and tell me the actual truth.
Sir, I promise beyond the magic railroad, what I'm saying is the truth. That thing resembled something from... Wait a minute.
Monster, how should I feel? Creatures